Hello everybody, this is Gareth Cahoon Speaks back here with another video. I'd like you to hit the subscribe bar or give me a thumbs up if you like the video, or hit the notification bell to be notified when I post my next post, or else you can look me up at my website, which is www.garethcahoon.co.uk, or if you'd like to support the ministry you can do so through garethcahoon3@gmail.com on PayPal. Israel professor leads international team behind implantable device that could eliminate the need for insulin shots. Assistant Professor Shady Farah from the Technion Israel Institute of Technology Faculty of Chemical Engineering has led an international research team that pioneered the development of an implantable, self-regulating device that produces insulin from patients with diabetes. The research is considered groundbreaking and could potentially eliminate the need for daily insulin shots. The multifunctional study was conducted in cooperation with scientists from leading US institutions, including the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Harvard University, Johns Hopkins University, and the University of Massachusetts. The study, published last month in Science Translational Medicine, describes the implant as a self-regulating artificial pancreas that monitors blood glucose levels and produces insulin internally, eliminating the need for external insulin shots. The researchers describe the technology as a crystalline shield and report that it can operate in the body for years. In preclinical tests on mice, the cells inside the implant were found to be fully operational and effective. However, further clinical research in humans is required. If approved by medical authorities, this treatment could dramatically transform the management of chronic illnesses through implanted regulating devices. Beyond diabetes, the technology could potentially address haemophilia and other genetic or metabolic disorders. Professor Farah co-authored the study with Matthew Bonick from MIT and Joshua Dolof from the JHU. Other team members include Dr. Myrna Shaheen Mulam and former master students Netta Kulner and Edward O'Dea from the Technion in Israel. The findings were considered so significant that Science Translational Medicine featured the groundbreaking study on its prestigious front page cover. In December, scientists at the Technion discovered that cancer tumours could surprisingly enhance heart function. The failing heart can beat much better in the presence of cancer cells or a tumour. Professor Amni Anoheim, Dean of the Technion's Ruth and Bruce Rappaport faculty, said after the surprising research discovery. Itzhak Kiat, head of the Department of Physiology, Biophysics and System Biology at the Technicon's Faculty of Medicine, placed the role of tumours in an unconventional wider medical context. Tumours can release signals that affect the whole body's repair and immune response, Kiat assessed, and some of these signals can be harnessed to improve heart disease. The Technion, located in North City of Haifa, is one of Israel's leading academic institutions and is often described as the country's equivalent of MIT. Internationally, it is renowned for its pioneering work in a wide range of advanced technologies. American aerospace giant Boeing recently announced it will cooperate with Technion on the development of a low-carbon jet fuel known as sustainable aviation fuel. Dr. Brendan Nessel, president of Boeing Global, hailed the Technion as a leading global technology leader. If there is one country in the world capable of solving civil aviation's emissions challenges, it is Israel, led by the Technion. The Israel MIT Nelson said during a visit to Israel academic institution, "We are pleased to partner with Technion and other stakeholders in the SAF Innovation Centre to support Israel's aerospace industry." This one here was a great bit of news for me, considering that from my paralysis 27 years ago, um, one of the things that can happen is type 1 diabetes, and I am a type 1 diabetic. So, an implantable device that would not have to be changed and would produce insulin inside of my body would be an absolutely amazingly brilliant step forward for humanity and all of those who suffer with diabetes, type 1 or type 2. This is just fantastic, and it just shows Israel's prowess in medicine and military tech and also AI. Israel really is the unicorn nation. Shalom, Maranatha, and hallelujah.